So I'm really excited to have you as part of this program. And what my intention is for this program is to keep it short, concise, to the point, so that you have the greatest results and the best impact on your health well-being, and your current dust allergies vanish. They start to get less and less grip over your life and less control, and you start to feel more free and more empowered around this topic of dust allergies. So in brief, my story with dust allergies. Well, it's a big story, it's a long story. It was many years of constant sneezing, watery eyes, clogged sinuses. I remember I'd come home and, the family would be making fun of me. Like, oh, Charlie's home, here he is, yep. And I'd be sneezing, I'd be coughing, and I'd feel so bad on the inside because I'd like, this isn't fair. This is not cool. Why do I have to experience this? Yet other people around, they're fine. So I was like, you know what, enough's enough. This was a long time ago. This was probably 9, 10 years ago. I said, enough's enough. Mum, Dad, rip up the carpet in my room. I felt so bad that I told them that they have to rip up the carpet in my room because there's dust in the carpet and there needs to be floorboards. And of course there was many arguments and lots of resistance, but in the end, the carpet was ripped up and floorboards were put down. Little did I know, dust can get everywhere. It's in the air, it's everywhere. So I continued to have my reaction to the dust. I couldn't run away from the dust. I had to change something from within so I don't react to the dust, and that is the key to this program. Finding what is going on inside, changing that, then there's no reaction. Then I went on to doctors, blood tests. They came back okay. I was getting allergy shots. Every time I'd get a shot, my throat would close over. I'd start wheezing. I went on a 3-month course. And just intuitively after that, I was like, enough's enough. That's it, I'm done. And I'm fixing this myself. No one else could help me. I was asking hundreds of people and no one could help me. Everyone was just like, I don't know, that's just what, something, yeah, whatever, move on. And it was frustrating. So it was that moment that I said, enough is enough. I'm taking responsibility for my health. I'm getting rid of this no matter how long it takes. And that's what I did. As I sit here, I no longer have dust mites, allergies. 100% gone. And I want to empower you and show you how to do the same.